Yes, we did. We gave up our beach life so that we could live in an Airstream full time for the next few years. It's something that we've talked about, and it was time to do it. And here's how we did it. We put our house on the market in October and had no idea how long it was going to take to sell. So packing everything up was a little tricky because we couldn't live in an empty house. But we knew we had to start. We couldn't wait till it sold because downsizing from our home into a Airstream was going to take us some time. So we just started. We started going through every room, including the garage, every closet, and figuring out, first of all, what was coming with us, and then what we were doing with everything else. We would go to Goodwill or thrift stores every 2 to 3 days with boxes or little baggies, anything that we knew that we would not be using. Next, we sold a ton of things on Facebook Marketplace, most of the things that were beach related, things that we used on the island. We cleared out a room to keep boxes that were coming with us or things that were going into storage. And since we have 2 Airbnbs, we put things in boxes that we were going to bring to them. We moved everything that was coming into the Airstream with us or that we were keeping for when we were done with our travels into the storage unit. The house ended up selling in May and we had to close by June. So we were pretty prepared to do that. And then we left the house and headed to get our Airstream. We bought our Airstream at the Great American RV Superstore in Dufuniat, Florida. We had scheduled for them to install the Blue Ox onto it and onto our truck that day as well. We ended up spending several hours with Chuck, one of the team members at the store. He was amazing, showing us lots of little things that we need to know about this Airstream. Then off we went to start our new adventure in our Airstream. Follow along and subscribe. We hope this video helped you on your travels. Thanks for watching.